Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I want to share my experience of removing facial hair with you all. I'll be using different technique for the different parts of my face. So without further ado, let's quickly dive in. So guys, the first thing that I do before removing my facial hair is to use a peel because I have pigmentation on my face, so I usually use a high strength peel. So this one is gonna be from Dr. Sheaths, and the best part is they are specially curated for Indian skin tones. Now there are even rumors that Bollywood celebrities like Sonam Kapoor use their products. I have recently started using their products and believe me, I love them. So just wash off your face using a good cleanser and start applying it all over your face. Now what it does is it helps in reducing dullness, brightens up your skin tone, and helps in exfoliating dead skin cells and remove those nasty whiteheads and blackheads. It has this amalgamation of these acids, which also it has aloe vera extracts, which helps in hydrating your skin and makes it beautiful. Now it works in a way that it helps in exfoliating all the impurities from your face, and the deeply embedded whiteheads and clogged pores, everything is going to be taken away. So I just apply it all over my face using my fingers, and I'm going to keep it for a good 7 minutes, and then I will wash it off. And if you use my code IBV20, you're going to get extra 20% now off. Yes, in the beginning you might feel a little bit of tingling sensation, but that is completely okay. And once you get done with the removing it off, believe me, you'll be able to see your skin instantly brightening up. And make sure that you protect your skin using a SPF once you get done using the peel. Now let's move on to waxing the face. Now I want to show you guys the hair I have on my sideburns, on my forehead, and also the upper lip, on the chin as well. We Indian have hair on the face. So let's accept the facts, and I will be using this Rika wax to remove the sideburns. Now it is a little painful, guys. You can look at my face expression and tell that yes, it hurts. Now this wax is easily available on Amazon and on the other website. There is going to be a bit of residue, but the best part is just in one go it is going to take all the hair out. It will be painful, guys, but it settles down after 1 to 2 minutes, and it helps in removing the hair from roots. So that is the best part. Once I do it, I'm going to be good for 4 weeks. So there is not going to be any hair on your sideburns for 4 weeks. Now I will be using the same wax on my upper lip. Now upper lip is going to be more of sensitive area. We know we get it thread and it hurts a lot. But the good part about waxing it out is that it just removes hair in a single go. Now I will start to remove it off, and it really hurts. So, but you're gonna be hair free for 4 weeks, so I can take the pain. If you're not so much pain tolerant, if you're pain sensitive, then you can use a razor instead. This is how I do it. So I wanted to share my experience with you guys. Next on, I'll be moving on to epilating the chin part. Now I am very used to epilating the chin, so it doesn't hurt me. We have a little bit of hair around the chin, so I make sure that I remove it, because removing the hair from the face helps in making me feel more confident, and it just makes the application of makeup really smooth and pretty. Also it works with the application of products. Now moving on, guys, I will be tweezing my eyebrows. So yes, I get them threaded most of the time, but that part of the month when you start to get that hair out and a tweezer can do for you, so that is that part for me. I have really thick eyebrows. Also there are the hair around the eyebrows is really thick, guys. Okay, so yes, I get them threaded once a month, and once I start to get that hair growth, I'll make sure that I take a tweezer and take out the extra hair I have around the eyebrows. Again, it is not very painful for me. Getting them threaded is still painful, guys, because the growth is thicker. But yes, I just like to remove that extra hair I have around the brows. Now gonna be a painless part, that is gonna be shaving the face. So I'll tell you how I use it. I will make sure that I apply a little bit of aloe vera gel on my face before doing it. Now most of the time I pluck a leaf and then apply the gel, but today I will be using a packed aloe vera. Now take a razor. A face razor is going to be different from the usual razor that we use. I hope you guys already know that. That is very stupid of me telling you that. So just hold your skin taut and start removing the peach fuzz that you have. It is not going to cause you any pain, and it also helps in removing the dead skin cells you have on your face. Also, it just makes the application of products, absorption of the products better for you. So the peach fuzz is gone. I love how beautifully and how smooth this entire process helps in making your skin. Now it is not going to cause any pain, and even shaving your peach fuzz, you are going to be hair free for a month. Now I'm thinking of getting more product from brown series. Yes, the epilator that I have used is from the brown range. I'll be getting two more epilators for the face and bun shades, so I'll make sure that I share my experience with you guys for that. And then I just rinse my face off, and my face feels beautiful, fresh and pretty. Other information is gonna be in the description box below, guys. I love you all so much, and see you guys super soon.